Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gas cans that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have JustRight 7,210,120 Accuflo. When looking for a long-lasting and safe gas can, you should check out the JustRight 7,210,120 Accuflo 1-gallon Type 2 red safety can. This gas can features JustRight's safe squeeze trigger handle, allowing you to pour out gas easily and under control. It also has a flexible 9-inch hose that fits into gas tanks and vehicle filler necks with ease. As a Type 2 gas tank, it will safely vent when exposed to fire conditions, avoiding dangerous explosions. While it won't hold a lot of fuel, its 1-gallon size will fit easily on a shelf and is light enough for almost anyone to use. If you'd prefer a larger size, you can shop for JustRight's 2.5-gallon model. Moving on at number 4, we have SureCan Easy Pour Rotating Nozzle 5-gallon gas can. Fueling up a vehicle or generator from a gas tank can sometimes require some awkward angles. The SureCan Easy Pour Rotating Nozzle 5-gallon gas can solve that issue with its easy pour filling system. The nozzle rotates, allowing you to hold the tank at a comfortable angle, while the thumb-activated trigger allows fuel to pour out at an easily controlled rate. SureCan's 6-layer design makes this more durable than some of the other plastic tanks. It has a top handle and bottom grips to make pouring even easier. It self-vents, features a child-proof cap, and at only 4 pounds when empty, it's pretty lightweight. At number 3, we have No Spill 14052-1/2 gallon poly gas can. For a bit of control when it comes to filling your power equipment, the No Spill 14052.5 gallon poly gas can provides it. This can has a thumb-activated push button that allows you to start and stop the flow of fuel into the machine without tipping the tank back and forth. The rigid nozzle fits in most smaller equipment tanks without issue. This 2.5-gallon plastic tank has an integrated fuel level gauge so you can see how much fuel you have at a glance. It also has a large filler neck opening so you can see into the tank to inspect for debris. This can doesn't self-vent, but it does automatically vent while filling, allowing you to pour up to 3 gallons per minute. At number 2, we have Duramax Flow Angola 14-gallon rolling gas can. Instead of paying expensive gas prices at the marina, you can bring your fuel with you with the Duramax Flow Angola 14-gallon rolling gas can. This plastic gas can has 2 plastic wheels and a top-mounted handle to make pulling it across parking lots, garages, or docks a breeze. The Duramax has a siphoning hand pump that allows you to transfer gas without using a battery or shore power. The 10-foot hose will work for hard-to-reach filler necks. As an added bonus, its 14-gallon plastic tank holds plenty of fuel, making it flexible for use filling smaller cans in a garage setting. And finally at number 1, Midwest Can Quick Flow Spout Auto Shutoff Gas Can. When it comes to storing gas for an emergency, you need a gas can that's durable and reliable, while storing plenty of gas to see you through. The Midwest Can Quick Flow Spout gas can has a large capacity and a durable plastic construction, making it worth a look for storing generator fuel. It follows the classic gas can top handle design, allowing you to carry the tank easily. It also comes with a quick, spill-proof spout, making it easy to fill your generator. This can also has automatic shutoff to prevent overspilling and weighs just 2 pounds when empty, making it lightweight enough to carry for long distances and pour with ease.